Hello everybody, all right, now we are going to talk about how to create linked list in Golang. So let's start. You're gonna have a type which is struct and name is gonna be node. So each of these things which is gonna follow each other is gonna be called as node. If we want to look a little bit closer, it's here. So this is one node, second, third one, and fourth one. The thing is, when we need to insert a new one, it's gonna look for from the top till the latest one, and then look if it's nil, then it's gonna add the new one to here with the value. In this, we decide to go with the integer. So, but any value you wanna put, you can put. And when we read it, that's gonna be different. We're gonna start reading from the top. And yeah, till the last one, and then yeah, we're gonna exit after when we reach the last one. So that's the thing. So we're gonna have the value integer, and then the next one, it's gonna be node but can be nil. That's why we're defining pointer here. And let's get another one which is going to be actually linked list. And also going to be struct, and we're going to only have head here, and yeah, this is the starting point, and we're going to traverse till the end. We are going to have a function, let's say linked list. It's going to be pointer, and then it's going to be insert. We gotta insert, right? That's the thing it's all about. Another function, and this is going to be method as well. We're going to display the values, right? All right, let's start with this one. So we gotta insert, but we have to look into the first we need to create a node, right? We have to create the node to be able to iterate. So let's create it, this new node, and it's going to be reference to node, and we're going to assign value. All right, so we have to insert, right? So we have to start from here and then go from here to the next. So we gotta insert it here. So this is the first one. Let's check if list head is empty, then put the list head is the new one. That's simple. But if it is not, then we gotta do something else. We gotta iterate till they find the last one, right? The latest one. So let's say the current one. We're gonna start with the current. Let's say this is head, okay? And then let's go into loop, and as long as it's not nil, change the current to do next. Okay, so we started with the top, and if the current next is not nil, which in the first one it's going to be actually nil, so we're going to add it here. So we're going to say next and new node, right? So imagine it's nil in the first one, and we are going to add the new one here. But let's say in the second iteration, this is going to take this one and look into the nil. If it's the next is nil, it is not nil, there is something. Okay, then it will look at the next and set the current as the next one. So let's try to look at it here. And for the second one, first one, we set next is showing that this one, right? So it's going to have the value here, and then the current will change to here, and then we're going to set the current to this one, and then the assign this one, this is supposed to be nil, and we're going to assign this one as the new one. All right, so that should be it. So what are we going to do with the display? So we have to start from here, come to here, and yeah. So let's start with the current, and it's going to be list hat, it's going to be current. Let's write something, list, and we're going to look at the current, and as long as it's not nil, the current one, we are going to print it, right? So it's going to be current next, and afterwards we gotta change the current to the next, right? And then the second round, if it's not nil, then it's going to print the second one, and we're going to change it, and that should be it. It's quite simple, as long as you think straight, you will see what to do. So let's define the list, linked list, and let's insert 10, 20, 30, 40, and display. Alright, let's run it. And okay, there's some problem here. Okay, we're showing a wrong one, so we gotta run it again. Let's go here and run it. Now we got the correct one. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.